Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am doing a bike check on that thing. So, the bike is a 2021 Specialised Stumpjumper Evo Expert. Full carbon frame, Fox 36 is on the front with a DPX2 in the middle for the bouncy bits. It's a SRAM X01 group set, and I've made a couple of additions. Bontrager carbon line 30 wheels, Pro Tharsis carbon bars with a race face turbine 32mm stem. I've also put on a Bontrager Versa carbon saddle just to help bring the weight down. Anyway, I think that's probably enough staring at the bike. Let's get out and ride it. Oh, what a run, so much fun. A bit of a blast down, shall we? Got how close in all these trees were. Good run. So every time I get on this thing, I'm blown away by how well it climbs. Like, absolutely phenomenal. Same wheels I had on the Giant beforehand. You know, I'd have been in the Eagle stamping up this. As it is at the moment, still got 3 gears to go before I get there. It's absolutely fantastic. It's almost effortless. Whew. Don't mean I'm not getting a workout though. It is hot today. Jesus. All right, we're going to take a right in here. And there is a little bit that I want to do. See at the start of it. Sets you up a little bit nicer for that corner, missing the drop. It's still a bit boggy in places, so This is going to be interesting. Woo! Got a bit of dirt up my nose. Woo! Took my head out a bit then. Oh, that is disgusting. The inside line through all the trees. Oh, that was awful. I couldn't see where I was going then. Oh, that ending always gets me. Oh. Whew. Looking forward to that drying out a bit. Got mud up my nose. Oh, that's nice though. Bike does well. Right, where to next? So I was going to head back to the car, but then I remembered this absolute gem of a bit of single track exists, and I suddenly don't want to. So I'm going to have a blast down here, and then I'll go back to the car. Lovely. Now we'll go drop in there. Oh, that's good fun. Really good fun. Oh, I think we'll call it there before I get too carried away. There we are, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bit of a shorter one, bit of a different format to usual. Still loving the bike. It's amazing. A few tweaks still need to do to get the suspension just right, but bloody hell, it's a really quick bike. But anyway, as always, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.